Hey guys, so I'm gonna do a blue makeup thing today. So I'm gonna go in with this one here. And so to start off with, I'm just gonna pop my concealer on my eyes. And I'm just gonna do one eye and then go off camera because my thing is about to not be charged anymore. So I'm just going to tap that out just with my foundation brush. So I'm thinking, would you guys want to see like wash my makeup brushes? Because they are in desperate need of being washed. So first off, I'm going to go in with this, if you can see it, this lighter blue just here. Sorry, this one just here. And then I'm just going to do that over the top there. So just sort of like a transition colour. Just keep going with that. Yeah, I'm really sorry about that flickering light. I'm not sure what's going on. It doesn't seem to be focusing properly, so it's really strange. I'm really sorry about that. If you guys have any idea on how I can stop it, please let me know, because it's quite frustrating, to say the least. Yeah, just do a transition colour over there, and then I'm going to go in with a deeper colour. So I'm just going to go in with this deep blue just here. And I'm just going to put that sort of like here, and then I'm going to just use the blend again, just to sort of blend it all out, just to keep blending, sort of keep tapping it in there. Don't try and do too much at once because it just won't look right. I'm thinking that I probably need to buy like a camera, because at the moment I'm just using my tablet and it's pretty terrible, to be honest, because it's driving me crazy. And now I'm just going to go in with this colour just here, just sort of do it, just tap it over there and sort of blend it over, and just to keep that transition colour there. And then so I'm going to sort of do a cut crease sort of thing. So, yeah, see? It's getting worse. Alright, I'm real sorry, guys. Alright, so I'm just going to do that and look up. And then I'm going to use this brush and sort of blend out the concealer, and just like that. And this is my E1, so I'm just gonna tap that all over so that it's got, so I'm sort of just doing like a half one, so yeah, we'll get that, and then I'll go in with the same brush and go in with my Morphe, or Morph. How do you say it? I don't even know. And I'm going to go in with this bright blue here. Tap it all over so that it's like a real deep blue. And then just sort of blend it out. And then I'm going to go in with that lighter blue, just from that same palette. And just do it on the corner there. Oh, look at that fall out though. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with my blending brush and blend it all out. Keep blending. Alright, so this is not fantabulous, but in the end, I'm gonna go in with my Super Shock, and I'm sort of just gonna tap it on in the corner there, just in the middle, just to give it a wee spotlight. And then sort of just keep blending. And blend. Alright, so that's basically the look. It was really quick and really easy. And then I'm just gonna go in with a little bit and just sort of lighten it quite a bit. Just and keep going there. Yeah, so just gonna tap on some more of this. And there we go, there's the final look for that one. Not great, but you know, I'm just really sick of this lighting. Like, it's really driving me crazy. It's really frustrating me. So, yeah, I'm not going to do the other eye. Just thought I would give you a quick look on how to do this. Yeah, so let me know. Thank you. Alright, so I also would hope that you guys are liking and subscribing, because hey, I'm awesome, and yeah, so just tell me what you think of this look. Thanks, bye. Alright, so I'm back, and this is the final look. So I used the lipstick, I used Salt by Colourpop. Thought it just gave it a little bit of pop, so I did a really simple eyeliner, so nothing huge, and just, you know, some simple bronzer and everything. Yeah, so I hope you guys like it, like and subscribe, and yeah, be in for the next one. Sorry I didn't do a video yesterday, I wasn't very well, and yeah, being a mum kind of sucks sometimes. Alright, have a good night.